So talking about dehydration and hydration, so water is super important. And actually, I will have a sip now. I put as a reminder for me to have the water. So the water, it's not just water, it's hydration, liquid, but water is the foundational one for us. And I have put here on the slide a list of symptoms that you can see that is quite a lot. It vary from dehydration from mild dehydration to severe dehydration. So we can experience brain fog, difficulty in concentrating, headache, dizziness. Also, if you are severe dehydrated, you can experience sugar crashing, sorry, sugar cravings and sorry, sugar crashings, blood sugar crashings, and nausea, and you can faint or even die, no, going to hospital. So what do we really know to what do we really need to survive? So if you think really what the human body needs for survival, we need air. Without air, we pass away or stop breathing after 3 to 5 minutes without oxygen because our brain start to shut down. Then we have water. Without water, we can survive about 3 to 5 days. And the water is needed for all our body, in our system, cells, depends on it. And then even mild dehydration can give you energy, focus, digestion, and mood symptoms. And it's also, for example, people with dementia or if or Alzheimer or elderly population, if they are dehydrated, they will experience symptoms of dementia. It doesn't mean, well, if they have dementia, they do, but some people they experience the same symptom, but they don't doesn't mean that they have dementia. It's just they are dehydrated. So it's super important in these two groups, in the elderly group and in the younger kids. So the water itself is necessary, but it's not negotiable. So people, I see a lot of people they don't drink water through the day, or they drink just 1 cup of water a day, and that is not enough. So we need to up our intake of water, and it depends of each body, but it would be 1.5 liters to 2 liters would be the recommended amount of water. And then we have food. We need food to survive. So without food, we can survive from 30 to 70 days. And if your body and your health is optimal, then some people might be able to survive a little bit longer. That's why there is a lot of people that have been lost in the jungle, in the forest, and have survived for 45 days without food, for example, but because they had water. So we always need water. So this is a real hierarchy of health, I would say. And before we start to obsess about the perfect diet, I think we need to think, am I breathing well? And am I hydrated? And then we go into food.